Hi everyone, my name is Trinity Dailey and today I will be talking about the hermit crab. Okay, so let's meet the hermit crab. So a common misconception is that hermit crabs are true crabs, which is not true. There are over 800 species of hermit crabs and not all of them live in water. So there are marine hermit crabs which live in the ocean and there are terrestrial hermit crabs which live on land near the coast. They live near the coast because they still need access to salt water to survive. So to tell the difference between true crabs and hermit crabs have a soft, curved abdomen, and that's pretty much why they need a shell for protection. It's basically their armor. And in most cases, when hermit crabs cannot find shells, they often use broken bottles or pieces of plastic. For their natural habitat, hermit crabs are found all over the world, mainly in tropical and temperate coastal waters. Marine hermit crabs live on the ocean floor and they mainly hide under rocks or coral, while land hermit crabs live in sandy areas close to the shore. They need both land and salt water to survive, especially for molting and reproduction. Some of the species live more than 100 feet deep in the ocean, while others are crawling around the beach resorts. They're very adaptable and are found in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Also, baby hermit crabs live in the water for several weeks before they're able to come onto land to find a shell. Now, how hermit crabs get their food. So, hermit crabs are basically scavengers and they're detritivores, which basically means that they clean up the environment by eating leftovers and also decaying matter. So, they also eat like algae, small fish, worms, and they even eat fruit. They use their smaller claw to feed themselves and their larger claw for protection. Some hermit crabs also steal food from other animals, including other hermit crabs, to survive. Now, the predators, prey, and unique traits. So, hermit crabs are prey to a lot of animals, especially birds and larger crabs, even fish and octopuses, and also raccoons, which is very interesting to me because I did not know that. And to protect themselves, they pretty much rely on their shells. So, as they grow, they have to find bigger shells, and sometimes group of hermit crabs form what's called a shell exchange line, which is where several crabs line up by size and trade shells in a way to meet them, which is the video that's being shown on the slide. Other cool traits also is their ability to regrow lost limbs. So if they lost a claw or a leg, it can regenerate during molting. Some species have symbiotic relationships with other creatures also. So for example, anemones, they attach to their shells to protect the crab and also get free rides and leftover food. So it's pretty much like a win-win situation there. Now onto the tree of life and their importance. So, hermit crabs are classified as Animalia for the kingdom, Arthropoda for phylum, Malacostraca for class, and Decapoda for order, and Pagurioidea for their superfamily. They're related to lobsters, shrimp, and crabs. In ecosystems, hermit crabs are essential recyclers. So, by feeding on dead plants and animals, they help return nutrients to the environment and they also help clean up beaches and ocean floors. In human life, hermit crabs are used in classrooms to teach about molting and behavior. They're popular pets also, but many of them are sold in poor conditions. To wrap things up, hermit crabs are basically more than just cute creatures in little shells. They play an important role in their ecosystem by keeping things clean, recycling nutrients, and even showing us how animals can adapt to their environment in amazing ways. These are my sources that I used to find the information for my presentation. I hope this presentation gave you guys an appreciation for how amazing hermit crabs are since they're not commonly looked upon. Not only are they survivors in tough environments, but they're also important in our ecosystem and in their environment. Thank you.